when you need an all-in-one camera drone. With cutting-edge performance, but every gram of weight counts. That's the perfect time for DJI Mini 4 Pro. A mighty powerful camera, using a new image processing platform that captures details in challenging lighting conditions. Slow-mo is now in crisp 4K. Step up your social media game with vertical shots that make use of every pixel and shoot night shots that shine with upgraded low-light performance. 10-bit unleashes vibrant lifelike colors. And with extended battery life, you'll be ready when the moment comes. The most stable video transmission we've ever had on Mini means staying connected further than ever before. Omnidirectional optical sensing on a DJI Mini drone means safety in all directions for the very first time, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot with peace of mind. Save a flight path to repeat shots with ease. Jump into action and let Mini 4 Pro catch your best angles. With Active Track 3, 60 degrees tracking movements is as dynamic and simple as painting a path with your finger. Relax and let Mini 4 Frozen our route mapping be your advanced visual guide on the return flight. Share your incredible experiences with the world. It's time to take Mini to the max.